Hello guys, it's me, Matt. That was a rubbish impression. If people know what that impression was, then I hope you're excited as much as I am because I've ordered it. It's here, it's in my hand. It is the Nikkietutorials X Beautybay collaboration palette. This got launched 2 days ago and it sold out so fast. £25. I am rambling. This is her collaboration with Beautybay. I am so excited for her. She deserves so much more than just a collaboration. If you don't know Nikkietutorials, she's one of the strongest people on YouTube at the moment. She has been through so much and she is still standing. And that's just this year. So, yes, it came. I'm going to open it now. I'm so excited. Even the box is just like so different. I've already like got rid of my name, so you can't find out where I live. It's limited edition. It says so there. Normally these boxes are just plain, but it's got Nikkietutorials there. It's got Nikkietutorials there. It's step inside Nikkie's world. So let's step inside Nikkie. I'm so excited. So here goes. And before I actually open it, so you get a free pop socket with each palette, I believe. I know I have, but I'm not too sure if it's every palette. And there's two designs. There's like a good, like heaven and hell, or good and evil, or light and dark, whichever you say. I'm hoping for the dark side. The palette consists of that as well. There's like a light side and a dark side, like showing two different versions of Nikkie's world, and I really hope I get the dark side. She has signed 100 palettes. I don't think I'm that lucky to get it, and I'm not too sure how many there are, but she's inserted gold tickets inside orders that value a Zoom call. I think it's one-on-one, but I also think that it's for, like, for example, 10 people to watch Nikkie, like masterclass, makeup, all that jazz. So I'm sorry, this is rambled on. I am opening it now. What was that? Oh, that's not important. Okay, that ruined it. I dropped something from the floor. Thought it's from the box. It's not. Let's open it. So, hello guys. It's me, Nikkie. Hello. What's this? So first you get a book. Back to beauty school. I think it's just Beautybay advertising products. And the first page I come to is you know what. So I'm gonna put that down. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to go straight to the pop socket. So you are going to be the first people to see if it is light or dark. I don't know. Can you see it? I can't. Please be dark. Is it? What is it? Oh, it's dark side. Oh my god. I don't use pop sockets, but I'm excited. So this says Nikkie, and it's got a bit of a fingers up to the rest of the world. Also probably known as 2020. I might like pop it on my mirror or something. That's cute. So shut up, Matthew. Get into the palette. So pop that side. Oh, even the unicorn is glittery, and it's like a keyhole into her life. So I'm not going to bore you with the description on the back. Oh. Wow, it's even more beautiful in person. What's that? So you get a little card, and it tells you the recommended way to apply each shade, which is good. You've either got a picture of a brush or a picture of a finger. For example, some like glitters are easier to apply with a finger, so that's quite good. Don't know if you can see that, but is it focusing? I don't know. But yes, this is the palette. As you can see, dark, light, light, dark. Makeup Shamers. This is a pressed pigmented palette. Oh, it's so pretty. So, yes. Wow. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the plastic. And these are the shades inside. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 shades for £25. Now, I don't think that is that bad. You've got 2 mirrors. One is a normal size mirror. I mean, like normal mirror. And the other one is a magnetic, like magnified mirror, which is a bit scary. So, I'm going to shut up and get stuck into it. Shall I swatch some? So, oh my god, that feels so... Wow, that is Pride. Hello? That just looks like it's wet on the skin. So you got All In. That's like gold, but it's got a pink shift to it. Let's have some mattes now. So Nikkie, which is named after her brother. Oh, that is a lovely red. As far as reds go, that is great. I want to go in with Ill, which is like a green colour. That is good. So, now I've swatched a few, I'm just going to get stuck into my lids. So first I'm going to take Nikkie, which is the red one. Right, let's go. The pigment is amazing. Look how red that is. Wow. So now Amsterdam, which is this blue, and take it onto the inner corner. I kind of think it looks like the French flag. So now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go in with Plot Twist, which is this one. Bit chalky on the hand, that one. Blends in though. And then just smoke the darker blue out. Okay, now I've blended that out. I want to add a tiny bit of purple to try and make it less look like a French flag. Not that I have anything against French flags. So I'm going to use Slasher. So now I'm going to do something with the red. I'm going to use Blend and Snap. Love that shade name. Which is a pink colour. And if you hear Blend and Snap and you see pink, you know what movie it's from. So I'm going to use that Blend and Snap and smoke out the red. It's a bit adventurous, but I'm going to take the green, which is shade Ill, and go underneath the eye. So I've gone from a French flag to looking like that cartoon about like them three different like little alien people in pajamas. Does anyone see the resemblance? So now I'm going to go back with Slasher, which is the purple colour, and just blend the green into the red. Okay, that is very extra. The green has darkened underneath because of the purple's made it a dark green. Try to get the green back, but it's just not happening. So, don't necessarily love it, but I don't necessarily hate it. So now, shimmer time. But I'm going to do it like a halo eye, so it's just like a beam down in the middle. Never done it before. Not too sure if it's going to work, but let's give it a go. Don't even know what brush I'm meant to use. Let's try this one. Beautybay, which is that blue. Well, I think that knocked it off. How are you meant to use this? Let's see the instructions. So, Beautybay, you can use it with a finger or a brush. So, let's use a finger. Now, there is quite a lot of fallout with that, so I'm hoping it just brushes off. So I think I've got the fallout out the way. Now there's a shade called Ivy, which is a shimmer. Which I'm going to put into the inner centre, inner corner. I want to go in with a shimmer underneath. Was that too much? Well, mind you, we've came this far, so I am, because I've left a gap between the purple and the red, I'm going to put a bit of shimmer there. So I'm going to use All In, which is that one. It's kind of a gold purple shift, so it sits nicely with the purple. Can you see it? I don't know. Oh yes. And with that blue, which is with Beautybay, I'm going to go and take it underneath the lash as well. I'm taking Ivy, that's shimmer I used in the inner corner, and go underneath my brow bone. And I'm going to go and do my blush, highlighter, mascara and lips, and I'll get back to you. And hey presto, done. I am loving it. The lips, I've gone with the Lady Gaga House Labs, I think this is called Hollywood. No, sparkle lipstick, and I'm loving it. I don't think there's anything, mind you, it's slightly more red than I expected, like the eyes. Still think it looks like a French flag, still think it looks like a cartoon about the three aliens in pajamas, but I am loving it. So, £25, is it worth it? Yes. If you can get hold of it, then I'd say get it, but it is limited edition. There's slightly fallout in the pan and with the shimmers under my eyes, but other than that, I love it. And that like zoom mirror is just scary. But I love the packaging. Well done, Nikki. This is amazing. I have no regrets by getting this, and it's just, yes, well done, Nikki. If you're able to get this, then let me know your thoughts down below. If you are going to try and get it, then let me know as well. And what are your opinions on my look today? I just love it. I just love the way it's all come together. Did I tell you I love it? So I am going to leave it here. Another great review, look, positive review. And yeah, so hopefully I shall see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.